Welcome, everyone. We're thrilled to have you here. Today, we embark on a journey to unlock your academic potential. Let's dive in. Hello, future achievers. Are you ready to unlock your full academic potential? My name is Miss Khadija Rasheed, and I have over 16 years of experience teaching physics with passion and dedication. This year, I'm here to help you achieve your academic dreams with a free, exclusive event designed just for you. Join me on Monday, January 20th, from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. for a live online event where we'll tackle your toughest OA levels challenges together. Whether it's mastering calculus, solving tricky kinematics problems, or conquering past paper questions, I've got you covered. It's simple. Drop your topic requests in the comments or send them directly to me on WhatsApp at +923 136878088. I'll prepare tailored step-by-step video lessons based on what you want to learn. Let's make studying stress-free and fun. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to boost your confidence, ace your exams, and step into 2025 with a winning mindset. Share this event with your friends because together, we're unstoppable. Let's make learning an adventure. See you at the event, Monday, January 20th from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m.